Hello viewers and students, welcome to JMH School online class. I am Abdul Quddus, assistant teacher in Jalal Memorial High School. Dear student, last episode I also took an important class for every student in class 10. The a scene passage, the name of this passage, the title of this passage Michael Madhusudan Datta, and this episode I also take a more important passage, scene passage. Dear students, Unit 4, Lesson 5. The title of the passage, Let's Become a Skilled Workforce. Dear students, it's very important for every student in class 10 because you are the student of JSC candidate. Dear student, now first time I will read the passage loudly, then I also analyze the keyword of this passage. Dear student, first time I read the passage. Okay, let's go. Today there are many jobs where you need English. This because the world becomes smaller. Bus distance are shortened by speedy transport. We can talk to a person thousands of kilometers away on the phone or the internet, so we can communicate with the whole world easily. English has made this communication easier. There are many countries in the world with many languages, but to communicate with them, you cannot use all this language, so you need a common language that you can see use this more or less all the people in the world. English is that common language. You can talk to a Chinese toy maker, a French artist, or an Arab ambassador, or a Korean builder in one language, English. English for us in Bangladesh is all over more important. As we have seen earlier, we are too many people in a small country. So if you learn English, you have the best opportunity to find a good job, both within and outside the country. And that is good news for millions of our unemployment youth. Dear student, this is the passage, and you know that the passage is most important for your SSC exam. First time I would analyze the keywords of this passage. Dear student, burst. What is the meaning of burst? Dear student, burst means of a great extent. Burst means of a great extent. Then distance. What is the meaning of distance? Dear student, distance means a amount of space between two things. A amount of space between two things. Dear student, shortened. What is the meaning of shortened? Dear student, shortened means summary. Shortened means brief. Shortened means summary and shortened means briefs. Dear student, then speedy. What is the meaning of speedy? Speedy means fast. Speedy. Dear student, transport. What is the meaning of transport? Transport, that means aircraft. Transport, aircraft. What is the meaning of transport? Aircraft or a lot of vehicles. Then communication. Dear student, what is the meaning of communication? Communication, that means exchange. Communication, that means relation to each other. Dear students, common. What is the meaning of common? Common, that means general. Dear students, opportunity. What is the meaning of opportunity? Opportunity, that means benefit. Opportunity, that means chance. This is the keywords of this passage. Dear students, you know that if you are get a good job, if you want to be a banker, if you want to be a government employer, if you want to be a good job in Bangladesh, you must know English. Or if you go to the foreign country like Europe, Australia and America, you must know the English. That is why English is more important for every student, for every person. If you read this passage, you must know what is the important language of English. Dear student, English is very important, and the passage will be said that today there are many jobs where you need English. Today there are many jobs where you need English. Then if you want to do a good job, you must know the English. Okay, dear students, if you are unable to my speech, if you are not to understood my speech, you must write the comment box. I also give the proper answer next class. Okay, Allah Hafiz, and next time see you again.